today's video, I will teach you how to make a shelter out of this bush. As you all can see, I also have my tent, but hence instead of using my tent, I will teach you to make a bushcraft somewhere in the bush. So let's make it without wasting your time, because it's already midday and then the sun will set soon. First of all, check by yourself if there's any reptile somewhere in this bush so that you can feel safe at night. Otherwise you are gonna be horrified by any reptiles incoming. So be aware, if there is any incoming of reptile at midnight, you are gonna be scared. So first of all, check quickly. I have checked already, and then there is no reptile some in this bush. So I'm gonna show you how to hide yourself, and also I'm gonna teach you how to make a quick meal for yourself so that you can get yourself warm. And I will show you from inside. I will have to tap this grass from the middle so it can be more nice to get fit inside. As you can see, there is more space inside. I can fit myself inside so easily, but the first priority is that how to keep your body warm. You will have to stay away from the ground, so that I'm gonna find some dry leaves and then I will keep it beneath. And then this is the shelter which is already made by nature. And please don't mind if I speak English not frequently because of that. If you don't like my video, please comment the how you want me to talk. I also gonna learn English so soon. I will use this nearby grasses to make my shelter heavy and thicker to protect me from north winds, which is so cold. That is what I was talking about. This hurts, and this sharp brushes can hurt your fingers so easily, like it has already done to me. So I guess I have some bandage, otherwise I will pee on it and then this is gonna be get well. This grass also hurtful. My hands are totally wounded. That is what I was talking about. The jungle wants to kill you. It doesn't appreciate human being. And if you want to survive, you will have to take from the jungle. It also saves your life. First of all, I'm gonna clean this all grasses from the front, and then I will teach you how am I making my bushcraft. I'm sorry to upset you all, but I will tell you, this is not a rain protective bushcraft. You will get wet if you stay here in rainforest, but for somehow you can get yourself warm inside it in winter. This was not easy, man. This was not an easy made bushcraft. This hurt my finger so much. It is burning. Don't hurt your fingers from making this bushcraft. These are so deadly sharp. You don't get touch them. You use gloves before you make bushcraft. And this is the circumstance in which I cannot find a glove to make a bushcraft. And this is a jungle and I don't get gloves to buy, and what to say, I will have to make a bushcraft to make a survive, to make a shelter, to stay warm at night. So this will be song and music and national anthem to me one day, and I wait for it patiently. Finally guys, my bushcraft is ready, as I will show you how to get inside. Not a 2-star bushcraft, but I paid it with the blood and the efforts that I made, and the burning woods. Surely it will pay at night to me. Every effort has an end with an answer. I will get the answer soon. Finally it is getting ready. I will keep my bag in front at night and I will sleep. Definitely I'm gonna make food. I'm hungry. Finally I get inside my bushcraft. I will prepare myself something to eat, because if I don't eat anything, my body is not getting warm at night. I will make poha, which is South Indian food. So easy to make and so healthy. Stay warm. I will find some dry woods. I don't get enough battery in my GoPro, and I'm getting lack of battery percentage right now, so I'm not gonna show enough what I'm doing. But before I let you know that I'm gonna cook, I will find some dry woods from these branches. This is so much available out here, and then I will cook food before I get to sleep. It doesn't matter how beautiful is your bushcraft, to make it a real quick and to give it less effort, to lose less energy, you just need to make it. This one called Kasi in India, and in some funny way we call it old spear. With beans. Let me peel it out. I don't need all, I just need few. Let's grind it. I don't know what do we call chuda in English, but it is very much famous to be known as poha. Just wash it, cook it. We'll add some onion first. And fry it for a while. And this is enough warm. I cannot grab it. Just cook your onion in a low flame, and when it is needed you can add more dry wood. Now I'm gonna add chuda in it. Let's mix it very well, and then it is ready to eat. Now it smells very well, very good, and now prepare to eat. Now I'm gonna make a cup of tea. I have some sugar and tea leaves in the box. I will mix it and then pour it into the water. Soon it will take its color. The water is hot. My tea is ready already. It's time to have my feast in this forest.